Hey you guys, it's Haley. Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, thank you so much for jumping on this video. Today I'm going to be doing a recreation of a makeup look that one of the beauty YouTubers, her name is Amanda Ensings, has created. And what her video is explaining is a hack for highlighting. So what she's going to do is she's going to add some oil onto her skin, like bio oil or the Pretty for Solly oil that you can find at Sephora. But any oil works, she says, other than coconut oil, because that normally will take off your makeup. But today I'm going to try out her hack and see if it actually works. So as you can tell, that is what is missing on my skin right now. I have my full face done, but highlighter. So I'm super excited to try this hack out. If you guys want to see my recreation and see if Amanda Ensings' hack works for highlighter, then please keep watching. So first I'm going to show you guys the little snippet from Amanda Ensings' video so you can kind of get a gist of what I'm talking about. And then we'll go into the next part with me actually trying it and see if it works on my skin.
So I'm going to use the Solly oil today. All I'm going to do is take my beauty blender. You could also just put it on your finger if you want. And I'm just putting a few drops on the end of my beauty blender. And I'm going to go right where I'm going to highlight. You can see how it makes your skin glow. And then I'm going to take Fix Plus. This is optional. I'm just extra. So I'm going to do this. And I'm going to take this loose highlight from Kylie Cosmetics in the shade Fiji. I'm going to take this Laura Mercier fan brush. I'm just gonna go right where I put the oil. Like, do you see that? And I just blend it into the skin, dragging it down slightly so you don't get any demarcation lines of highlight. Like, that is just one layer. Like, it's unreal, you guys.
Okay, so as you guys saw from the last clip of Amanda Ensings, she basically had a wet beauty blender that she had already used for her face, as well as the For Solly oil, and she just kind of dampened it onto the beauty blender, and then she went in with a fan brush or any type of highlighting brush with her favorite highlighter, and then just put it right on top. So I'm going to see if this hack actually works. I'm super excited because I don't know if you guys are like me or not, but when I apply my highlighter, as she was saying too in the video, we always feel like we have to layer to get like a beaming highlight. But I really want a highlight to where NASA can see it, as Amanda Ensings says. So I'm super excited to see if this hack works. So let's get started. I have my tools here. I have some bio oil since I don't have the For Solly oil. I do have my damp beauty blender. I also have a highlighter that I just picked up that I haven't even applied on my skin yet, which I'm super excited about. This is the Wet n Wild. This is their highlighting powder in the shade Golden Flower Crown. So I'm super excited, more of like a golden tone. And then I'm also going to be using my Morphe E61 brush. This is my favorite highlighting brush. So I'm just going to start off with the bio oil, and I'm just going to put a little bit, because she said a little bit does go a long way, on the tip of the beauty blender. I'm so nervous. I have my little mirror down here, so if you see me looking down, that's why. Maybe I should put it, let me use this mirror instead, so you guys can actually see me apply it. So I'm just going to go ahead and put this on the skin. Ooh, this is making me so nervous. I don't want my makeup to break up. Alright, so I'm just dampening it. And it looks like there's enough oil on my skin. I don't know if you guys can really tell. But now I'm going to go in with the Wet n Wild highlighter, and I'm just going to put some of that on my brush. She also in the video sprays her brush after she puts the highlighter on with some spray. So I'm just going to use my favorite Algenist hydrating mist, and this just helps make the highlighter look even more wet without the oil. So let's see how this goes. Oh my gosh. You guys, look at my highlighter. Shut up. This is so pretty. I hope you guys can see that and that it's picking it up on the camera. You guys, this is an amazing hack. If you can see, I'm pretty sure you can see, and I'm pretty sure NASA can see this as well. Look at my highlight. I am just glowing compared to the other side with no highlighter on it. And then when I turn my head, oh my gosh. I'm so happy I tried this hack out because this is going to make my highlighter stand out so much more. If you guys haven't tried this hack already, please do. But it just looks so pretty. I'm going to go ahead and try it on the other side as well and see if it comes out exactly the same. I'm just adding a little bit more bio oil. And I'm just going to go ahead and stamp that onto my cheekbone. I'm going to go ahead and add the Wet n Wild highlight. You guys, this is crazy. Oh my gosh, look at that side now. I am glowing, and it's not like heavy. It doesn't look like there's a bunch of powder on my face either, which is amazing. So I'm going to go ahead and put a little bit more on my chin, as well as my nose, a little bit on above my eyebrows. You guys, this is stunning. Look at this. I think her hack worked. I'm so impressed right now. Alright you guys, well that concludes the video. My final thoughts on this Amanda Ensings hack. I'm not sure if she's the first one to come up with this, but as far as I've seen, I'm going to give the credit to Amanda Ensings for coming up with the oil hack. I know the spray hack was already a thing, but definitely applying oil first. She's the first one I've ever seen to do this. So, I mean, I just can't get over and stop looking at myself in the mirror on how beautiful my highlighter looks and how non-powdery it looks, which is so amazing. Oh my gosh, I'm just in so much awe. But if you guys did like this video and you want some more videos just like this, please give this video a big thumbs up if you did enjoy. Also, if you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button down below, since that'll get you plenty of notifications when I do upload. I'm super excited to be back on YouTube, and I know I've said that many times before, but I finally have a good schedule to where I can upload, and I have my new studio set up. If you guys want me to change the background up a bit, please let me know. And if you guys have any other further questions or more video suggestions, please leave them in the comment section down below as well. And I can't wait to see you guys in my next video. Bye!